Hi viewers, welcome to Akshay Vlogs and Crafts. Today, let's see Agatheswara temple in Villivakkam. Let's go to the greatness of the temple first. When Lord Shiva granted darshan to sage Agastya with Mother Parvati, Ambika was wearing golden ornaments, hence she is praised as Swarnambika. The shrines of mothers Mahalakshmi and Saraswati are before the shrines of Ambika. The Navagraha Mandapam is on the opposite side. As sage Agastya destroyed demons Vilvalan and Vatapi in this place, it is named Vilvakkam. Agatya's destroying of the demons event is celebrated during the Vaigasi Brahmotsavam of the temple. Lord Veerabhadra graces from a separate temple at the southern entrance of Lord Agatheswara temple. He appears with two sharp teeth with a danda in his left hand. Daksha is before him in a bowing form. Mother Bhadrakali shrine is in the front mandapam. As Lord Veerabhadra is another form of Lord Shiva, Pradosha pujas and one-time puja on the Sivaratri day are dedicated to him. Lord Veerabhadra is facing north, the direction of Kubera, the Lord of Wealth. People pray here seeking prosperity boon, hence he is praised as Aishwarya Veerabhadra. Planet Mars created a spring here and worshipped Lord Shiva for relief from a curse. This spring Tirtha is outside the temple, hence the temple is also famous as a Mars Angaraka Parihara Sthala. Lord Valampuri Vinayaka is nearby facing north. Devotees call this temple as Sevvai temple. Sevvai is Mars. Lord Shiva granted darshan to sage Agastya on a Tuesday, Sevvai day in Tamil. On Tuesdays of Adi month, July to August, special pujas are dedicated to the Lord and Mother. During the wedding of Lord Shiva and Mother Parvati in Mount Kailas, sage Agastya was in south performing Shiva puja in this place. Two demons, brothers, Vilvahan and Vatapi, caused hindrance to his puja. Agastya killed them with his penance power and incurred the Brahmahati dosha sin. Incurred the Brahmahati dosha, a sin caused by killing others, good or bad. He worshipped Lord Shiva here for relief from the dosha and also relief from any disturbance to perform his pujas. Lord deputed Veerabhadra to help the sage. Lord Veerabhadra protected sage Agastya and also relieved the sage from dosha. He thus has his due place in the temple. As sage Agastya worshipped Lord here, he is praised as Lord Agatheswarar and this is the presiding deity of the temple. The Moolavar is Agatheswarar, Urchavar is Somakandar, Amman Tayar is Swarnambika, Talavrisham is Vilva, Tirtham is Ankara Tirtham, Puja is Sivagama Puja. The historical name is Vilvaranyam, city is Vilvakkam. Festivals here are 10-day Brahmotsavam following Vaigasi Visakam in May and June, 1008 Conch Abhishek in Kartigai, November, December and Panguni wedding festival in March, April are the festivals here celebrated. Planet Jupiter, that is Guru Bhagavan, is on the direct grace of the Mother Ambika. Praying to Ambika will free the devotee of the adverse aspects of Jupiter. This is a rare design in this temple. Planet Mars is under the Arasa Bodhi tree on the banks of the sacred Tirtha. The temple is also known as Mars Temple, Sevvai Koil. This temple is open from 6 am to 12 am and from 4 pm to 8:30 pm. There are shrines of Lord Nararaja, Bhairava, Subramanya, Kasi Viswanatha, Acharya Shankara, Mother Visalashi, Vilvambika and 4 Saivat saints, Nalvar. Sage Agastya is with Nalvar. Special abhisheks are offered to Acharya Shankara on Panchami day in the full moon fortnight. Lord Anugai Vinayaka graces the devotees. Those facing obstacles in marriage due to adverse Mars effects and of shy nature pray in the temple. Realizing their wishes, devotees perform special abhishek to Lord and Mother with vastras and sandal abhishek to Lord Veerabhadra and with betel leaf garlands. Please like, share and subscribe friends. Thank you friends. Bye bye friends.